Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to show you a how-to video on how to create an Acronis True Image Survival Kit media. So let's get to it. First off, if you haven't done it yet, or you have, you'll see this screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add Backup, and we're going to call this Main Drive. Hit Enter. Then we're going to change the source, disks and partitions, and we're going to uncheck the other drives that are associated with this machine, okay, or with your machine. My boot drive and the most important drive is drive C, and that's the only one I'm concerned about. So we click OK. Now we want to do is change destination. We go to Browse, and you find the drive. Click the plus sign here, and I'm looking for drive Q. I named it Survival Kit. Now I did do a review on this drive. It's a Samsung. I'll have a link up top to check out that review. So now we want to create the Acronis Survival Kit. We're going to click this right here. Now this comes up. Create your own Acronis Survival Kit. Acronis Survival Kit allows you to restore your data even if your OS fails. Acronis True Image automatically creates a special partition with a bootable media and a partition with data where you can actually back up your disks or file. So it'll actually create a 2 gig partition just for bootable, and if you hit F12 on your BIOS or F2, whatever it is, or F11, it'll give you an option to boot from the drive, okay, and then you select to recover. How does Acronis Survival Kit work? Acronis True Image resizes and reformats your external hard drive if necessary. It does. Acronis True Image creates bootable media on your external drive, which it does. You run the backup of your data to this drive to finish creating the Acronis Survival Kit. So all this does is create your drive to be bootable. Then you back up to that drive. It's simple as that. So let's create it. And we want it to format. Alright, now we're going to hit backup now. Now sometimes you may get this error. So in other words, it can't find the external hard drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to change destination, and we're just going to select it again. And then we're going to click backup now. This could happen to you, because I have multiple drives on my machine, and sometimes it loses the connection to the drive, so you may have to just reselect it again. It's not a big deal. So remind you, we are backing up 78.3 gig through a USB 3.2 port, and we're getting, what is it, 1500, 1600 megabits a second? That's crazy. Well, look how fast. We're already at 8 gig already. Flying. Okay, we are finished. That is it. So guys, if you like this video and you think it deserves a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like these how-to videos, please comment below and give me your ideas and your thoughts or problems. I'm here to help. Take care, and we'll see you next time.